great to see you again. It's Charlotte with The Right Side of 50, speaking to you, a woman of a certain age who wants to dress fabulous for the holidays. I've got you, girl. I'm going to meet you right where you're at, and we're going to get you through those fun days ahead that are just screaming holiday. Okay? Here we go. Look number one. First of all, this is so holiday. This complete set, this complete little outfit here that we have going on, I would wear to a Christmas concert. I would wear to a candlelight service. Something that's maybe a little more elevated that you're gonna wanna just look fantastic for, okay? Especially starting off with this blouse. This blouse is by Ronan Ryan, which is one of our house brands. She's got a little shimmer, she's got a little shine, she's ready for the holidays. Now, some of you might be looking at this thinking, that's a little glitzy for me. I don't know if I could wear that at my age. You know, I'm well over 50. I don't know, it's a little daring for me. I'm gonna tell you why you can wear that. Okay, she has a liner in here. So even though it looks like it's got some sheer fabric here, you still have the coverage underneath on the places that you want to have it. Okay, so that will keep it just where you want it to be. And then it also has a little collar here that has some ruching on the top. Now, I like to wear it just open with a little button undone, but for those of you that feel like you're a little more conservative, or at your age, you're like, I don't know if I want that deep V on my décolleté, you can use the button right here, and it still has a very elevated holiday look. Or even if you just, the event that you're going to is a little more conservative, you could do that too. And then it's got a little bit of a blouse, obviously, like a little blouse movement here too with the arm. Because of this little banding here around your wrist, it really gives you some movement as you're moving and talking and all the things. It also gives you, some of us at a certain age, we don't love our arms or the shape of our arms. So this gives you coverage here, and the blouse isn't so tight around that upper arm of yours, and it really gives it a thinner look, okay? I front tucked mine with these amazing Ever Eve pants. These are a wide leg pant. We're gonna get to the pant in just a second. But I did a little front tuck on mine when I styled it. That just feels right to me. It's comfortable for me. Again, if you're a little bit more conservative or this feels too fussy for you in the front, you can wear the blouse out, and it has a little bit of a kick right here. I like to style it in because for me, I feel like it creates a little bit of a shape. It accentuates my waist a little more rather than just having it go straight down, okay? All right, onto the pants I promised you. These are so fun. These are an Ever Eve, again, by Ever Eve, that's our house brand. And it has a wider leg on it. Okay, now I'm 5'9", so you can see where it kind of hits above my ankle. The little kick flare, I think sometimes people get nervous about. We're used to wearing our skinny jeans all the time, or our straight leg denim. This pant has, again, that little wider leg. Why do I like that? I like it because it shows my ankle, and my ankle is the smallest part of my leg, and again, creating some shape. So I have a smaller waist here, comes out, and then it flares a little bit here, and then it shows off my my thinner ankle. So it gives you, again, a little bit of a shape and is quite forgiving for those of us that at our age aren't really crazy about our legs. But I think that it just really elevates the whole thing. Then I topped it off with these great shoes from Vince Camuto. They are a beautiful brown suede, and it has a block heel. Now, again, at our age, some of us get a little bit nervous, especially if you live somewhere where the sidewalks get a little bit slippery, or we're nervous about wearing those stiletto heels out and about. This little block heel gives you some more substance on the bottom and more stability is, like, I guess what I should say, more stability for as you're walking in and out to and from your car to your events. Okay, because there's the attraction here is really the blouse, which I love. I just kept it very simple with a hoop earring, and I'm just ready to go off to my holiday thing. Okay, I'm back with look number 2, and this one is gonna meet you and your friends as you go out for holiday cocktails on a girls' night, okay? How great is this? This long duster by BB Dakota. It's got your fun sequins, it's catching the light. It says holiday from top to bottom, right? I layered this just with a little cami that's got got some lace on it. You guys have seen me wear these camis before. To me, I love them because they have an adjustable strap. So depending upon at my age how I want to wear it, if I want a little higher on my décolleté, you can adjust that to that. And then I paired it with these great skinny jeans. They have some distressing on the bottom, which keeps you really on trend. I think sometimes at our age we feel like we need to have a finished bottom, and in reality you don't. Just wear it with confidence. These fun little, it adds some detail, and it also draws the eye down from top to bottom with your entire outfit. And then look at these little kicks I got on. How cute are they? A little red suede heel, little stiletto heel. Again, perfect for a girl's night out. These are actually very comfortable. I think sometimes stilettos I feel unstable in, or sometimes at my age too, I feel like, oh, is it looking a little youthful? This actually meets me right where I'm at. I love them and they're very comfortable, okay? And then I topped it off with a fun little necklace here, just to add a little shimmer in my earring as well. And I am good to go, feeling really confident for a fun girls' night out. One more detail that I wanted to share with this little BB Dakota duster, there's a drawstring inside. So if you want to make it a little bit tighter, it'll really create a shape for you, and really accentuate your waist, which is the smallest part of your body. Or if you feel more comfortable and you want it just to hang straight, you can loosen the little ties on the inside. But this fun little shimmer is really going to be the highlight of your holiday with your girls. Okay, back with look number 3. This is the perfect outfit for family. If family's coming over and you are baking cookies. If you are hanging out doing puzzles or playing some games, the fireplace going on, and some holiday music in the background, this is your go-to outfit. It is so cozy, so yummy. Starting off with this little quarter zip sweater. Look at the details in her. Like, so fun, so great, so warm. And then also, the thing I like about the quarter zip is you can kind of, you know, at our age, some of us like to have it a little bit higher, some a little lower. Or if you have it up here and the hot flash comes on, you just kind of unzip it a little bit. But loving that. I'm gonna leave her styling-wise untucked because I have these great coated denim from Cut. They're olive green, perfect for the holidays. They have stretch to them. So again, if you're moving and grooving, if you're down on the ground playing with the little kids, or you're up and about, it's the perfect jean because it's so on trend. Nice little skinny here, again, accentuating your ankle because it's thin all the way down, runs all the way down and show that ankle. And then look how cute. Look at these fun little slippers, nice furry slippers from Minnetonka Moccasin. They got a little crisscross in the front, just for a cozy afternoon as you're wrapping up all the holiday things. Thank you so much for joining me, talking about the holiday looks. We wish you the very best in the season ahead, and stop in stores, let us outfit you from head to toe. And join me next time. We'll see you soon.